Hello friends and strangers, welcome either to or back to my channel, and welcome to another episode of It's August, so why is it so cold? Today's video I'm going to do something with graphic liner. This might turn out horribly and it might end up never seeing the other side of the computer screen because honestly I'm not good at graphic liner and I can't be one of those makeup artists that does like the really intricate like drawings because I absolutely just can't do it. It's just not me. She's just not artistic. So I'm gonna try my best, and if it turns out horribly, I mean, you came here for amateur makeup looks and that's what you're gonna get. But basically, oh yeah, sorry there was no video last week. I pretty much completely forgot, which is really great for the future of my channel. But yeah, I literally it was like Tuesday and my friend messaged me and was like, where's your video? You didn't post one. And I was like, oh yeah, whoops. It has been a bit hectic. I have only been in this house for 3 weeks, and being away for so long, when I took that month off by accident, I really didn't, I think I've just gotten out of the routine of filming, whereas before it was like on a Sunday, that was what I did. Like I'd wake up, film, edit, upload, and that was my Sunday. But now it's very much like, you know, I've lost the routine, but I'm gonna get it back. Anyway, you don't care about this. You wanna see the graphic liner. So I figured I could do white graphic liner, very much like the music video by Ariana Grande. I can't remember what the song's called, but I'll show you a picture. So I thought I'd try that on one eye, and then on the other eye I figured I could go for some sort of rainbow look. What do you think? Also, sorry about my eyebrows. There is, you can't see from this far away, which is nice, but there is a lot of like loose hairs. I am happy with the way they look for the first time in my life, and I think I have genuinely gotten better, and I'm just going to show you the product I use because it has honestly changed my life. I use the NYX eyebrow gel in blonde, and it's the only eyebrow product that has ever made them consistent daily. And even if I do have stray hairs, it's the right colour for a start, but it also takes them away from the like focus, so like you can't see my stray hairs very well, which is amazing. But I will get some wax strips and sort them out anyway, so it's not a big deal. Okay, shut up. Right, on to the actual video. So I'm using the Retu, bless you. I know I made that joke last time, but I am a comedy genius, so you know, you get what you're given. The Retu eyeliner, long lasting professional. I got this off Amazon, it was cheap. And I'm gonna use a little brush, just because like I said, my ability to draw intricate detail is not great, and I can't really draw straight lines. With normal eyeliner I'm okay because I can literally just like, it's on your eyelid in it, so you've got like a, what's it called, like a guide anyway, but I haven't got that with this because it's going up here. So we do just try our best, but if it turns out horribly, then just forgive me and we'll carry on as normal. So I'm taking this little brush by Vertex. I'll link it in the description as always. And I'm just going to put some of my white eyeliner onto that, just because I do find it easier with a longer brush. And I need to make sure you can see me if I'm looking in the mirror. So let's move that slightly. Okay. This is literally, I've not even practiced this. I'm just going for it. So if it turns out horribly, then just forgive me and we'll move on. So that's fine. Okay. I don't know where to begin. I think I'm going to begin on the outer. Right, that's a good start, I think. Now I'm actually going to go in with the proper brush and just go over it now that I've got a decent line. Oh, I did get a question the other day, just from like one of my mates that watches my videos, and she was like, if you could make over anyone, like a full glam, like what James Charles does, who would it be? And I was thinking like, I think, oh my god, I think Finn Wolfhard has such gorgeous features, like his cheekbones and his jawlines. I'd love to give him a full glam makeover with like contour and everything. But thinking about like more realistically, as in like who's in the UK and not like far away. I was thinking like I'm Alex. I think he's got really nice features and I think he has got lovely eyes and I would love to do makeup on him. So if by some bizarre miracle you end up watching this, Alex, please let me do your makeup. Oh, and Bambino Becky as well. I think she's got really nice eyes. If I see someone that's got like really beautiful eyes, then I'm immediately like, I want to put makeup on them. And like, oh my god, Ellen and Neil. I'm just listing English YouTubers now. Yeah, oh, and I think Artie Game has really cool features as well. I'd love to do makeup on him, like a full face. I know these will never happen, but like it is just exciting to think about, isn't it? Right, so I've done that, and honestly I don't hate it. I'm not mad. I'm gonna fix that little tiny bit that's gonna stray. She will be cleaned up. Yeah, I really like it. So what I'm gonna do is, in this corner, I think I'm just gonna add a pop of pink. I don't know how that will look, but it is graphic liner, so there's no right or wrong. Oh yeah, see, I love that. It's so simple, like just one little line, but it genuinely looks so good. And then the white is crumbling because these are cheap, so I'm gonna go over that again. If you are new to this channel, basically I do makeup looks for people on a budget. None of my makeup will ever come to more than like 30 quid. Like the most expensive thing I use on this channel is my eyeshadow palettes, and they are like £28.99 or something, so I will never spend more than £30 on some makeup. So yeah, just fun fact about me, she is cheap. No, I'm not cheap, I'm just poor. So I do tend to sway towards the like cheaper things. And I think it is nice as well because there aren't a lot of makeup artists that do makeup looks for like amateurs or like people on a budget. Like they are very much very professional, very like high-end brands. And it could never be me, loves. She's just not that rich. And even if I got rich, I think I'd stick to what I made the channel for, which is for people on a budget and that aren't experts in makeup, because I think that is just, you know, that's how I started out. I wasn't very good at makeup when I started doing it, obviously, because who is? But I just wanted to, I wanted to have a channel where I could make a channel where I could do makeup for like the everyman, like anyone sort of thing. So that is what I did, really. Not much else to say on that. I wanted everyone to be able to do my makeup regardless of ability or price range. So hopefully one day people will start like finding my channel and watching it, and then they'll be able to do it, because that is something I really care about. I really care about makeup and I really love it, and I think it can, like, it sounds really bizarre, but I think it can really change someone's life. So I don't know, I just the idea of being able to help someone who's not so good at it be good at it is amazing. Like I run a Facebook group all about makeup, like constructive criticism, and it's a really good group. It's got like 22,000 members last time I checked, and I absolutely love it. And it's really positive. Like we don't do shaming, we don't do like anything like that. We just give each other advice, and like people post their looks and others hype them up and say like, oh, maybe you should do like more bronzer, or like maybe you could try like, I don't know, a different brand of mascara, or like this would look good with a false lash, that sort of thing. Like it's just really wholesome and nice, and that is the vibe I'm trying to put out into the world. As stupid as that sounds. Right, going in with the black now. So now I'm going to try, and this really is the word try that we are using here today. I'm going to try for rainbow graphic liner. It might, oh wait, yeah. Sorry, I had like an idea in my head and then she just kept it in her head. We'll give it a go, we'll give it a go. You'll see where I'm going with this in a second. And it'll either look really horrible or really nice. Or average, you know, I've never seen this look done before, so it might just be fun. Honestly, average is what I strive for nowadays. I mean, always has been, really. So in case you were wondering what I'm doing, I'm basically doing like, what's the word? Like sort of like a chain link, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna go along, obviously I will go over it because they're not very vibrant, the light ones anyway, on the first show. So I will go over it, but I'm just trying to make like a cute, what is the word, like a lattice? I wish my eyebrows were in a better state right now, because this is such a beautiful look, and I'm going to want to do a zoom in like picture with flash and everything, but I'm going to have to edit my eyebrow hairs, and I hate editing my makeup photos because I want them to look real, you know. There's so many makeup photos out there that are, to me at least, so obviously edited. And then you see people in the comments like, oh, this breaks my heart, I could never do this. I'm like, no, love, you could, but they've edited it so much that you feel like you can't, but you really could. Which is what my channel is for, really. I want to take really funky, cool makeup looks like the Ariana Grande graphic liner, and I want to make them accessible to everyone. And I don't edit my final look or anything like that. I just keep it as it is, because honestly I want people to not be afraid. If they see my channel, I don't want them to be afraid to recreate any looks. Like, you know, when that challenge went round that it was like recreating James Charles or a Manny MUA or whatever tutorial, and for most people it ended up really bad. I don't want that for my audience. I want them to be able to, my audience, the 3 people that watch me, but I want people, if you know, if people did find this channel in the future, I want them to be able to recreate any look that I do, because I don't do it for me, I do it for the people watching, if anyone is watching. Like, I don't know, she really is rambling a lot this video, sorry loves. Really did play a game called Talk Out Your Ass for 10 minutes straight, or however long this video is going to be. Okay. What do you think? Should I do anything else with that. I really like the looped thing. I'm really glad I did that. I might add a black just to show you what I'm going to do. I'll bring that into the corner. I'm just going to go over everything one more time, just to make sure the colours are as vibrant as they can be. Right, so I guess I'll just add some mascara and maybe some lashes, don't know yet. And then I will be back with my mandatory narcissistic montage, as Christine would call it. Right, well, that is the end of this week's video and the end of my graphic liner tutorial. I hope that was easy enough to understand and to follow. I know it wasn't really a tutorial style video, it was more like just Laura plays around with coloured eyeliners, but hopefully that has given you some ideas if you are wanting to get into graphic liner, and if not, hopefully this was just fun to watch you, for you to watch me ramble for however long this video is going to be and to see me come up with this look at the end. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to follow me on all my social medias because I will update everything there, from a new video that's coming out to asking you guys for help for video ideas to like Q&A stuff. So the links for that are down in the description below, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you guys next week. Bye.